Since October, an estimated 100,000 migrants have arrived in New York City. Many were bussed from Texas by government officials who insist their state is overburdened by the number of people crossing the southern border. Once in New York, many of those migrants are sent to city shelters where they wait for work visas and asylum claims to be processed.
We're at almost 100,000 migrants that have arrived in the past year, and almost 60,000 of them are still in the shelter system.
Manhattan Borough President Mark Levine says the city is spending roughly $10 million every day taking care of these migrants. He's pleading for more resources.
It's now beyond the point that New York City can do it alone. We're still rallying as best we can, but we're definitely going to need more federal assistance.
I agree with the call for more federal resources, but I think the state and the city are frankly missing the ball on the fact that there are many federal resources that they're not utilizing that already exist.
Joel Berg is the CEO of the nonprofit Hunger Free America, as well as a former USDA senior executive official. He says some of the financial burden could be alleviated if the city made better use of already established programs.
If more people who were eligible for SNAP got it, the soup kitchens and food pantries would have more food left over for the migrants who are ineligible for the other programs.
Back in October, Hunger Free America entered into a partnership with the City of New York, giving the organization direct access to city-run shelters. This lets advocates connect asylum seekers with federal and state-funded food benefits.
¿Cuántos años tiene su niña? 3.
One of the easiest programs for the asylum seekers to access is WIC. The federally funded initiative provides pregnant women and caretakers of young children with a debit-style card to purchase certain foods. That includes formula for infants and baby food for toddlers.
WIC doesn't take into account the immigration status of those who participate, so it is one of the first programs that they can access.
Lily DeCina has been going to different shelters and attending outreach events to facilitate the process of signing eligible asylum seekers up for food benefits.
So these families who otherwise, depend on the food that is given to them at the shelters now are getting this benefits card, and they can basically go to the supermarket and buy items.
I spoke with numerous migrant women who have been living in the shelters with their families here in New York City. When asked about the food situation, they all said the same thing. What the shelters are providing isn't adequate. Some of them even expressed concerns about their children's health, noting that they'd seen them lose weight since coming to America.
With as many as 1,000 more migrants estimated to be arriving in New York City every day, continuing to care for them at this scale is a pressing challenge for both city officials and the groups trying to help. DeCina said her team has noticed it's taking longer for new WIC claims to be processed, and their workload has significantly increased.
I don't know the limits, but I feel that, we might be reaching that limit at some point.
In New York City, I'm Aubrey Gelperin.